Hello and welcome to Tripeefy.com.
In Tripeefy, we gather information and reviews about your chosen hotel. We compare the reviews and ratings of Expedia, TripAdvisor and Google, all in one video.
Zabeel House The Greens by Jumeirah is situated in Dubai and is 3 kilometers from Dubai Marina Mall. Attractively located in the Greens district, this hotel provides a fitness center and features an outdoor swimming pool. The property offers a 24-hour front desk and free Wi-Fi is available. All guest rooms in the hotel are equipped with a kettle. Each room is equipped with air conditioning and some rooms are equipped with a balcony. At Zabeel House Hotel, every room has a private bathroom. The walk at JBR is 4 kilometers from the hotel, while Mall of the Emirates is 4.1 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Al Maktoum International Airport, 23 kilometers from the property. These are the ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place, and Tripeefy rate is the average of these rates. Tripeefy, trips made easy. Reviews you should consider reading. Here are some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripeefy, trips made easy.